Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one strategy, and if you work on that strategy, you have to only worry about a one time frame, one pair, and a one strategy. You can quit your 9 to 5. So after this video, you have to back test on it and forward test on it and do generaling on every trade. At least you have a 100 trade past 100 trade data to understand this thing. Okay, so let's get started. It's a very important. I will also show you and introduce the macros, so watch this video till end. It will be a very straightforward and uh, very simple. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure join it, subscribe it, click the bell icon. That's it. Let's start it. So the thing is, you have to going to use only the US 100, okay, or you can say NQ or the future, okay. Time frame will be UTC -4, okay, and you going to trade only between 9:30 till 12:10, okay. So you're going to find any setup between this time frame, and that's all. So what is that setup? You have to mark out before 9:30 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap, breaker block, order block, whatever in your chart, okay, and understand the market structure. That market is going making higher highs or higher lows. That's all. Once you find that thing, you will understand the market is bullish or bearish, okay. If there will be no any higher time frame PD raise like here, you anticipate that price will might be go upside today as well. So you will mark out breaker, fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, order block in the leg here, and the higher time frame in the left side here also. So if price retrace, okay, and if expansion where it want to go, okay, that's thing, okay. Once you mark out that thing, then what you have to do, you have to wait for a setup that look like this. If you are bullish, you will see a sweep, okay, and then a market structure shift, okay, and then you can trade on the breaker, fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, whatsoever you call, okay, in this leg, okay. And if you find these setup between micros time, that will be a grateful, okay. What is the micros? So in the day, you will see the price run in some time very fastly, straightforward candle. So what time that price mostly run from one liquidity to another liquidity, or came to some sort of liquidity, what is that time? That's the macros time. So what is the macros time? Just expect the last hour, okay, just forget about the last hour of the trading. Every hour, the first 10 minutes and the last 10 minutes is the macros time. So what does it mean by that? For example, we are doing from 9:30, okay, so 9:50 till 10:10 is the micro. What is the 10-hour micro? It's 10:50, sorry, till 11:10, and 11:50 till 12:10, and so on every hour, even it's a lunch hour, okay. So you will want to go and see that price most of the time it will reach to some sort of liquidity or target, or want to go on this time, at that this time of the day or this time of the hour, okay. So you have to only find liquidity sweep, market structure shift, and that trade. That's all, okay. These will be absolutely incredible if you work on it. believe me, only one time frame, 9:30 till 12:10. Okay, so let me show you here. Basically, I have another YouTube channel in different language, but there I post a trade that I took live on this market and posted on my YouTube channel with muted sound. Okay, you can watch my trade every day, so you understand that I'm not a fake guru. Might be my speaking personality and another thing will be not good, but overall you see I'm not working on my videos, because if someone is making money from a trade, they don't have time, they don't have time to do this type of things. Okay, so we have this 9:30, we are going to mark out the 9:30. Okay, and you will see after 9:30 we have purge. Okay, so I took this trade. Which one? This trade from here till this area. Okay, so this is a pretty good move. If you see, it's almost 80 pips move. Okay, 80 handles, so why not I can take 50 handles from them. Okay, so here you will see candle purge and downside, but the narrative is that the thing is that here 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, one thing I'm going to share with you, this is the fair value gap for sell. Okay, what is the most sensitive point of this fair value gap? This will be your 4 notes. If price going to the upside, the most sensitive, if the price is bearish, you will see the reaction on the first start of the fair value gap, and then 75 and the consequent approachment, the mid level of the fair value gap. Okay, it can be, you can use this method with the order block also, inversion fair value gap also, breaker block also. Remember that point. Okay, any PD array you can use the same thing. Market should not, if it is heavily bullish or bearish, it should not cross the consequent approachment, and if it is, it will be permissible, no problem. Even it can reach upside, but body should close inside this fair value gap, should not go above this. If it close above, the trade setup will be the low probability. Remember that point, that is for your notes. Okay, so remember always that price should close inside the fair value gap, or after reach the consequent approachment, it should react from there. Okay, once it's closed above the fair value gap, so this setup will be not that high probability. That's for your notes, right? So I will show you in the 1 minute time frame that how I took this trade. I already posted this trade in my another YouTube channel. You can find that link in the bio, in the description, sorry. So we have this 9:30 candle, we go upside, we tap on 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, after that I see a purge. This is the purge and jack and purge. Okay, like this, shoo, like that. I want to see this thing go and immediate reaction, give a huge candle like this. Okay, I don't want to see this one. I don't want to wait until here, because you see who wait until here, they are waiting for fair value gap here or something, and that you see it's, they catch this market. So what I did here, we have this inversion, I took trade from here, we have liquidity here, and we have liquidity here. Why market reach here? What is the reason? Let me go in the 5 minute time frame and show you why should the price come here. There should be some logic, right? Why we are seeing this market, why should price come here before go to the upside? Because that day market is up bullish. Anyone who's ICT or SMC who will take trade mostly from the London, you will see this is a shift in the discount. We have this fair value gap and our block, silver bullet time frame. If anyone long here, once the structure break, he trail his stop loss here or here. Okay, so price came and took their SLs, right? And then price run to the actual level. All right, so what happened here in 9:30? After 9:30 you will see what happened here. Price come to the downside, sweep these areas here, okay, and sweeping time what is 9:50, so it reached the internal range liquidity. I'm right? Okay, and then move to the upside at the macros time. You have to see this thing. If you want to see the running of the price, you will mostly see this the price will run on the macros time. Okay, so that what is the macros time? The first 10 minutes and the last 10 minutes of the hour. Every hour have a micros. So we have microstructure shift. We from his leg to this leg we have this equilibrium. We have this breaker block. We have this fair value gap. Wait for the price to come. What time frame? The macros time, 11 o'clock, and it's reach till upside. Okay, and from there market reverses. Okay, at the what time? To the macros time. Okay, let's see to the next day. It is a Friday, boring day. I don't trade in mostly. So one thing more for your notes: not trade 9:30 fair value gap, the first fair value gap of 1 minute. Okay, the 9:30 fair value gap should not trade it. Okay, so you see 9:30 open here. Okay, 9:30 open, and price what did is take the liquidity, checked. I want to see this thing. I want to see this thing, purge. Okay, and then this thing. We want a fair value gap and 1 to 2. Okay, and you will see also this thing, price reach here, changing the state of delivery here, and price reach here. Okay, in the 30-minute macros I will make videos on the macros time also, and beautiful equal lows and the day high of the day, sweep it. Okay, so that's the thing. You have to find this setup after 9:30 that market take the liquidity, okay, and then give you a market structure shift, and then you will buy or sell as per your bias on this base of this pattern. Okay, believe me, work on that. You will see a great magic, really. Okay, in the coming videos I will also explain the CRT, the candle range theory, the macros, what is the best time silver bullet work, and that's all. In which pair silver bullet work or not. Okay, so make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. I will also live trade. Go watch my live. There will be a playlist of my live trading. Okay, you will see almost in week 2 or 3 times I post a video on my live trade I took on the trading view. You will see my accuracy. You will see the what I teaching you I do live as well. So I want to do live trade in front of you, but the community is very small. I want at least 1000 active person to trade with them. So make sure share with your friends and at least watch the full video. Give the comments, give me thumbs up, so the algorithm of YouTube will reach to more people. Thank you very much. Until next time, be safe.